Elsa becomes first Atlantic hurricane of 2021 as it takes aim at the Caribbean.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
Elsa has been upgraded to a hurricane as it moves into the Caribbean. Elsa is forecast to move near Jamaica and the portions of eastern Cuba on Sunday and is likely to remain a hurricane. At 7:45 a.m. on Friday, the center of Hurricane Elsa was located 20 miles west-southwest of Barbados. The system is moving towards the west-northwest at 28 miles per hour, and that general motion is expected to continue for the next couple of days. According to the National Hurricane Center, the system is expected to pass near or over portions of the Windward Islands or the southern Leeward Islands on Friday, before making its way into the eastern Caribbean Sea late Friday into Friday night. Elsa is expected to move near the southern coast of Hispaniola on Saturday. Forecasters said on Friday morning that the maximum sustained winds increased to near 75 miles per hour with higher gusts. Some additional strengthening is expected over the next 12 to 24 hours.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them!